On this Valentine's series for dinner for two, I'm going to show you my delicious chipotle crab cakes with avocado sauce. To make good crab cakes, you need good quality meat, and I've got some dark meat from the claws. Add sliced green onion and lime juice. I've got a chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, great in crab cakes. We just want a little bit in there. If we put too much in, it'll overpower the flavour of the crab, and we don't want that. Next, finely chop the pepper and add to the crab. Also add mustard, mayonnaise, a good pinch of salt, ground black pepper, 1 egg, breadcrumbs. Now mix lightly and place in the fridge. To make the sauce, finely dice an onion, slice jalapeno, add olive oil to a pan, add the onions and jalapeno and sweat 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add to a food processor, followed by avocado, lime juice, mayonnaise, milk, lid on and blitz until smooth. When smooth, add to a bowl and place in the fridge. Next, shape the crab mixture into patties. Add olive oil to a pan, add the crab cakes and cook about 4 minutes on each side. So there you have it, one succulent crab cake, perfect for Valentine's Day. On this Valentine's series for dinner for two, I'm going to show you my easy, fuss-free main course. To make this delicious sauce, dice onion, add sun-dried tomatoes to the board, and finely chop. Slice mushrooms, add olive oil to a pan, add onions, mushrooms, and sweat 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add sun-dried tomatoes and cook out 1 minute. After 1 minute, add flour and cook out 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add mustard, stir well. Next, add white wine, stock. Now bring up to a boil and reduce for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add double cream, stir well, season to taste with salt and pepper and put to one side. Next, add a good pinch of salt to boiling water, add the pasta and cook until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, season the steak with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to a hot pan, add the steak and cook to your liking. When cooked, take out, add the cooking juices and leave to rest for about 2 minutes. When the pasta's cooked, add to a pan, followed by a drizzle of olive oil, some fresh Italian parsley, season to taste and mix well. So there you have it, my easy, delicious, fuss-free main course, perfect for Valentine's Day. On this final episode for Dinner for Two, I'm going to show you my mouth-watering dessert. To make the caramel sauce, add sugar to a pan, followed by water and a touch of lemon juice. On a medium heat, bring to a boil. When it's to a boil, continue cooking to a nice dark amber. Optional, but has a great visual impact, take the pan off the heat, spray the ladle with cooking spray, working fast, drizzle thin crisscross lines over the ladle. Now let the cage cool and put to one side. Next, put the pan back on the heat, add milk and stir. Take off the heat, add butter and stir. At the end, add a touch of vanilla extract and place the sauce in a bowl. Next, using a bain-marie, melt the butter and chocolate over a low heat, stirring occasionally. When melted, put to one side to slightly cool. In a bowl, add sugar, followed by eggs, a pinch of salt. Now whisk until thick and pale yellow. Next, using a spatula, fold in the melted chocolate until no streaks remain. And at the end, add flour and fold in. Now brush the ramekins with melted butter. In a small bowl, add cocoa powder, flour and mix well. Dust the ramekins with a mix, tapping out the excess. Now spoon about 2/3 of the chocolate mix into the ramekins. Add a tablespoon of caramel sauce, followed by a small pinch of salt, and cover with the remaining chocolate mix. Now give the ramekins a little shake and place in a 425-degree oven for 16 minutes. When cooked, take out and leave to cool. I hope you've enjoyed this Valentine's series. Simple, delicious meals that you can do at home, stress-free. Happy Valentine's! Look at that. Gorgeous. Have some of these raspberries. I think this is the perfect dessert for Valentine's. Easy to do, it looks fantastic, and it tastes delicious. Thanks, guys.